In this video, we're diving into the find command, a powerful tool in Linux for locating files. I will show you how to locate files by name, size, type, and other criteria. Let's get started. The find command is a powerful tool used in Linux operating systems for searching files and directories. It allows you to search for files based on various criteria such as name, type, size, permissions, and more. The basic structure of the find command is as follows. First, you type find, then specify the path where you want to begin your search, and finally, provide an expression that defines what you are looking for. Here's a simple example. If you want to find all text files with the extension .txt, you would type find, followed by the path /home/user, and then name *.txt. This command searches the /home/user directory for all files ending with .txt. Let's explore how to find files by their names using the find command. To find a file with an exact name, you would type find /home/username document.txt. The name option searches for files that exactly match the specified name. Keep in mind that this search is case-sensitive by default. If you want to perform a case-insensitive search, use the name option. For example, find /home/username document.txt will find files named document.txt, document.txt, and any other variation of capitalization. You can also use wildcards to create flexible search patterns. For instance, find /home/username *.pdf will find all files with the .pdf extension. The asterisk represents any characters. To search for multiple patterns, you can use the O option, which stands for OR. For example, find /home/username *.jpg named *.png will find all files with either the .jpg or .png extension. Now let's see how to find files based on their type. To find all regular files, which are standard files containing data, you can use the command find /home/user type F. The type F option specifically searches for regular files, excluding directories, symbolic links, and other special files. If you want to find all directories, you would use the command find /home/user type D. The type D option searches exclusively for directories. To find all symbolic links, which are pointers to other files, you would use the command find /home/user type L. The type L option searches only for symbolic links. You can also combine multiple type searches using parentheses and the OR operator, O. For example, find /home/user type FO type D will find either files or directories. Let's explore how to find files based on their sizes. To find files that are exactly 1 megabyte in size, you would use the command find /home/user size 1m. The size option without any prefix finds files of exactly the specified size. To find files larger than a certain size, use the plus symbol plus before the size. For example, find /home/user size plus 10m will find files larger than 10 megabytes. To find files smaller than a certain size, use the minus symbol dash before the size. For example, find /home/user size -100k will find files smaller than 100 kilobytes. You can also combine size criteria to search for files within a specific size range. For example, find /home/user size plus 1m size -10m will find files that are between 1 megabyte and 10 megabytes in size. Now let's look at how to find files based on time criteria. To find files that were modified in the last 7 days, you can use the command find /home/user time -7. The time option searches for files based on when their content was last modified. To find files that were accessed more than 30 days ago, use the command find /home/user a time +30. The a time option searches for files based on when they were last accessed. To find files with changed metadata, such as permissions or ownership, in the last 24 hours, use the command find/home/user time-1. The time option searches for files based on when their metadata was last changed. Instead of days, you can also search based on minutes using min, amin, or kmin. For example, find/home/user min-30 will find files modified in the last 30 minutes. Let's explore how to find files based on their permissions. To find files with the exact permissions of 644, you would use the command find/home/user perm 644. The perm option with a mode number finds files with exactly those permissions. To find files with at least a certain set of permissions, use the minus symbol dash before the mode. For example, find/home/user perm -444 will find files with at least read permissions for everyone. To find files with any of the specified bits set, use the slash symbol / before the mode. For example, find/home/user perm /111 will find files where any execute bit is set. You can also use symbolic notation such as U, G, O, and A with the perm option. For example, find/home/user perm G = W will find files writable by the group. Now let's see how to combine different search criteria to refine your file searches. By default, when you specify multiple criteria, they are combined with an in logic, meaning all conditions must be true for a file to be matched. For example, find/home/username star.txt size +1m will find text files larger than 1 megabyte. To create or conditions, use the O option. Remember to group the expressions together using parentheses. For example, find/home/user star.jpg name star.png will find either .jpg or .int files. To negate a condition, use the exclamation mark exclamation point. For example, find/home/user type f name star.log will find files that are not .log files. You can also create complex combinations using multiple operators and parentheses to control precedence. For example, find/home/user name star.txt o size 0 will find text files or empty files. Let's explore how to perform actions on the files that you find. The default action is to print the results, which displays the full path of each matching file. For example, find/home/username star.txt print will print the full path of each text file found. To execute a command on each found file, use the exec action. The is replaced with the file name. For example, find/home/username star.tmp exec arm / will delete all files with the .tmp extension. You can use exec with common commands like cp, mv, or chmod to process files in batch. For example, find/home/username star.jp exec /backup// will copy all .jpg files to the /backup directory. If you want interactive confirmation before each action, use the OK action, which is similar to exec, but prompts for confirmation before each action. For example, find/home/username star.bock OK // will prompt for confirmation before deleting each file with the .bock extension. To optimize your find commands, it's useful to limit the search depth using max depth to improve performance. Also use dev to stay within a single file system. You can combine find with zargs for more efficient batch processing. Finally, put the most restrictive tests first to filter results quickly. Some common use cases for find include finding and removing temporary files, locating large files consuming disk space, finding recently modified configuration files, and searching for files with incorrect permissions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.